Hello, ice cream fans. It's Branch's Soft Serve here at Hershey's factory. Gonna serve their employees this morning. It's 1:30 a.m. and let me take a look at what we see. We're just setting up. You don't see much. There's our emblem. Let's slowly look at the truck. Do a sweep. Hershey factory. Alright, now the truck. We have something new on the menu I wanted to show you. Be the first to see. They're called King Milkshakes. And there's the banana split in the middle. But we got 4 flavors right now of the King Milkshakes. Let's take a look at them. Got the bark off the tree milkshake. We got the raspberry branch milkshake. Got the pecan turtle milkshake and Oreo dream milkshake. Look yummy, don't they? And they're King milkshakes. And let me tell you what's in each one. Then you got the banana split. First, the bark off the tree King milkshake. It's made with, the milkshake part is chocolate peanut butter milkshake. Then we got whipped cream. Then we have dark chocolate brownie on top. Chocolate sauce, peanut butter, peanuts, Reese's peanut butter cups. That's what's on the bark off the tree King milkshake. Let's go to the raspberry branch King milkshake. The raspberry branch King milkshake has a black raspberry milkshake, whipped cream, dark chocolate brownie, raspberry sauce. Then it has chocolate sauce and marshmallow fluff. Yum. Oreo dream milkshake. It has an Oreo milkshake. Then whipped cream, dark chocolate brownie, Oreos, chocolate sauce, marshmallow fluff, and chocolate sprinkles. Yum. It's a dream come true. Then we got the pecan turtle milkshake. And that one is, you got a pecan turtle cookie milkshake. Has the bottom. So we put a cookie in there, pecan turtle cookie, inside the milkshake and blend that up with caramel and chocolate sauce. Then you got the whipped cream. Got a warm pecan turtle cookie on top with caramel and chocolate sauce. Again, yummy. We also got our banana split. If you want all the works, it's in a cup and it comes with strawberries, pineapple, bananas, and chocolate sauce. You can add whipped cream and wet nuts or peanuts if you like. Yummy. All in one cup. Pretty cool, huh? So, our King milkshakes and the banana splits is something for you to crave at Branch's. Looking good. we've been doing events, and our top seller are those king milkshakes, and the bark off the tree king milkshake is #1. People that love peanut butter and chocolate, this is your dream come true. You gotta try it. It's basically milkshake and sundae combined. So you can walk around with your sundae and slurp it up. Oh, it's so good. Got the Raspberry Branch king milkshake, Oreo Dream milkshake, and Pecan Turtle king milkshake. Banana split. Let's take a look at our truck. We got milkshakes, banana splits. You can see it on the door. Snowbergs. You're probably like, what is a snowberg? A snowberg is shaved ice in a cup, flavored with the flavor syrups that you want, like blue raspberry, cherry, orange, grape, sour green apple, banana, orange. And so you flavor your shaved ice with whatever syrup you want. You can do multiple flavors too. Then you layer it with our Madagascar vanilla ice cream. And then you layer it all the way to the top. And then marshmallow fluff right at the peak. Yum. Great combination. Comes with a spoon and a straw, so you can slurp it up when it melts, and you can eat it with a spoon too. Yummy. You got malts. Now people ask me all the time, what is a malt? It's a milkshake. But what is malt? Malt is basically, if the taste is, if you heard of the Whoppers candy malt balls, it tastes like that. And then you can put that malt in whatever milkshake you want. The most popular is the chocolate malt milkshake, but you can also get in vanilla or whatever other flavor you like. And it tastes like the candy with a flavoring that you picked. And it's really good too. And we have that. Yay! We got our soft serve ice cream. We got floats, sundaes, shaved ice, and that's without the ice cream. It's just shaved ice in a cup with the flavor syrup that you picked. Yeah. And they got Hershey's. Got Hershey's going on. And we're setting up right now. It's not much to see. It's dark. 1 o'clock in the morning. Almost 2 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna set up. We're gonna be ready to sell the workers on their breaks. In that dream, huh? Ice cream truck for lunch. That's pretty cool to me.